To screen record on the Google Pixel 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL, we first swipe down from the top twice, then we will swipe to the left, and we see the screen record. Tap on screen record to open the screen recorder. It says start recording. By default, it's set to a single app. Tap on this and then select entire screen. Record audio by default is off, so we'll tap the toggle to turn that one on. Under record audio, it's set to device audio, which is just your system sounds. Microphone is you speaking. Device audio microphone are both of them. So we'll tap start recording to start the screen recording. You see the countdown, and then once that ends, every action on your phone is now being recorded. If we swipe down from the top once, we can tap on stop to stop the recording. Once this recording is saved, we can tap to view it like this. Your screen recordings are saved in the Photos app, then select Collections, then tap on this device, and then Movies, and here are the screen recordings.